Hey guys, Andrew from MarineMax Boston here. Today I'm going to be walking you through a brand new boat of ours. It's a 2023 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. Starting here in the back, you're going to see this boat's powered with twin 300 Mercury Verados. This boat does come equipped with the Mercury joystick as well. Coming in here, you get a nice big lounge seat that you can store right away if you're doing any fishing, but if you also want to hang out, very nice. 3 or 4 people can fit there. Come over here, you see a nice swim door. Has a submersible swim ladder for easy access when you're fishing. Making our way into the helm here, you're going to see very nice setup here. A nice table that folds right over. If you want to have lunch, hang out, do some work. See right here is also adjustable to face aft. If you're fishing, you want to watch the lines. Making our way here to the helm. Twin Simrad screens, Mercury vessel view. And like I did mention before, this boat does come equipped with our Mercury joystick to make easy docking very, very easy. Making our way down in the cabin here. Very nice table here to sit around, TV here up on the starboard side. This table does drop down to become a filler cushion if you want to spend the night here. Into the head. Very big head. Plenty of room for whatever you need to do in there. And down below there is an aft cabin if you want to sleep a couple more people. Again, my name's Andrew with MarineMax Boston. If you have any questions or want to come see this boat, please give us a call.